are going to make this seahorse charm. For this, we will need size 8 beads and beading wire, size 28. Take 1 meter of wire and start inserting the beads. Start passing the beads one by one. Here is a picture of our seahorse, so you can get an idea of how many beads to insert in each part of it. Remember to insert the beads and pass the wire in a double manner. The different part is the top of the seahorse, which has 2 blue beads, and the 3 beads at the back, which are handled differently. The rest we handle just like the other marine charms we've made. Remember, you can make it in the color of your choice. Here, we have finished placing all our beads. Now, what we are going to do is give it a small closure. We will pass the wire again through the last bead and twist the wire about 1/2 centimeter. This twist we fold inward, and, helping ourselves with pliers, we avoid damaging it. We shape the tail of the seahorse and it's ready. Thank you very much.